Hi, I'm Steven Selislach. I'm a senior designer for LBC tank terminals in Antwerp. I'm based in Belgium and I've been with the company for almost 3 years. LBC Tank Terminals is a global provider of responsible logistics solutions. We own and operate midstream and downstream facilities for bulk liquid storage from ship unloading over intermediate tank storage and filling operations such as truck, train and drum filling. My company is part of the process industry and operates in the segment of tank storage. We were faced with scattered, outdated, double and missing information. The main challenge was how to reduce the information to single source information, this to facilitate information management. Intuitively, people knew that our original way of working was time and money consuming. And that's how the awareness grew that work processes needed to be streamlined. Part of that was implemented on an operational level, but the decision for a global approach was a more recent one. We started out producing construction drawings based upon centralized as-built information like 3D laser scans, and from there on over to 3D modeling. As far as needed resources was concerned, my suggestion was to split the project into small sub-projects which could be integrated in the budget of a related CAPEX project. Over time, these small improvements would yield and will yield critical mass. The breaking point came when I was personally confronted with loss of assets data and 3D models because of its incompatibility with later releases of that CAD software. Now, being data-centric, Plant 4D would solve the assets data and 3D model loss we had been experiencing. Quick implementation of Plant 4D was possible in areas where we already had 3D scans. There's 3 things to look out for. Convincing people to go for a global approach is simply not easy. Then, once you've implemented, you need the necessary resources to keep it as built. And as far as brownfield projects are concerned, 3D scans are indispensable. Recent projects that come to mind where we have implemented Plant 4D are mini hazard risk analysis of a hot water circuit protecting breather valves in our HMD extension project. The second one is wall thickness measurements inspection data connected to point cloud database and 4D database info. A third one is the VAS project, quick feasibility engineering study together with 3D modeling and budget estimates based upon existing point cloud data.